Okay, this just blew my mind. I literally built a working app in minutes without touching a single line of code myself. And no, it's not Claude, it's not Cursor. The tool that did it, it's called Open Interpreter. And using it honestly gives me this crazy feeling of AI. Like my laptop just turned into an assistant that can code, automate, and create right in front of me. Let me show you, because this feels like the future. So for those who don't know, Open Interpreter is basically like having ChatGPT, but with hands. Instead of just giving you answers, it actually runs the code it writes directly on your computer. That means you don't just read outputs, you get working apps, automations, and experiments instantly. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through how I installed Open Interpreter, tested it on some real tasks, and finally built a full Sudoku app completely from scratch. First, let's install it. Just head over to the Open Interpreter GitHub. It's an open source project with over 100 contributors improving it every day. Copy this line here. Don't worry, I'll put every command I use in the video description. And paste it into your command prompt. Boom, that's it. Open Interpreter is now on your system. Now, Open Interpreter by itself is just the shell. To make it smart, we need to attach an LLM, a large language model. If you want to use ChatGPT, you just paste this line in, drop in your OpenAI API key, and you're ready. That's the paid option. But here's the cool part. You can actually run it for free using Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash model. Just paste this command, and done. Now Open Interpreter has a brain, and it's ready to work. Okay, first let's test it out with something simple. I asked it, plot the 7-day Bitcoin price and market cap on a graph. And see what happens. It shows me the code it's about to run. Interpreter always does this. It asks for permission before executing anything. Super safe. I just hit yes, and boom, a full Bitcoin chart appears. That was the first moment where I went, whoa, this thing actually works. But can it handle actual work on my PC? Let's try. Here's a random video file. I want to rename it to Magic. So I just tell Interpreter, change this file name to Magic. Wait a few seconds, and done. The file is renamed. No digging through folders, no right-click menus, just one command. That's when I realized this isn't just for coding. It's like having a personal assistant living inside your computer. Now the most interesting part comes in. Try to build an app with this. I created a prompt to build a fully functioning app of Sudoku. I just paste that into the interpreter and watch. It starts creating files, writing out hundreds of lines of code, setting up the GUI. After about a minute, boom, a fully functioning Sudoku app launches. Look at this. It's got the board, the inputs, a check button, a solve button. It's a real working game. I didn't code a single line. The AI did everything. It'd take me almost 2 hours to vibe code an app, and now it takes only a minute. It finding all error and solve it. And this is the part that honestly gave me chills. Because this isn't a copy-paste toy. This is a proper app I can play. And if I can make Sudoku this easily, imagine what else is possible. Trackers, dashboards, automations, websites. All just by describing what I want. Open Interpreter feels like the closest thing we have right now to AI on your laptop. It can plot, rename files, automate your PC, and even build full apps just by listening to you. Yes, sometimes it breaks. Sometimes the code needs a retry. But when it works, it feels like magic. And the best part? It's open source. Anyone can try this.
Thank you for watching this video.